Hello, welcome to Passively Ever After. My name's Cassie, and I want to help you build your dream life through passive income. So, if that sounds like something that you would really like, be sure to subscribe to my channel. About 8 years ago, we moved to a new state, and I gave up my career of 18 years of doing nails. And so I didn't know what I was going to do for work once we moved, but I knew I didn't want to work for someone else. My dream was to be able to work from home and build an online business. So I found Etsy and I started selling handmade physical products on Etsy. I grew that business to over $10,000 a month. But as you can imagine, hand making $10,000 worth of products every month, I was so exhausted. I couldn't even do anything except for sleep and work. And that just wasn't the kind of life that I wanted to live or build for myself. So I started looking for different ways to make passive income. The first thing I started with was a blog. And I didn't really have any direction with my blog when I started it, so it took me a long time to get it going. Through that journey, I discovered that I liked making printables. So I started putting printables on my blog, and as I did that and I started making more income from my blog, then I realized, well, why don't I just sell some of these printables as well? So I started an Etsy shop and a Shopify store and started selling my printables in there. In addition, I continued to grow my blog and made affiliate income through there, and then went on to start a YouTube channel. So on this channel, I'm going to share with you all of the ways that I make passive income, all the strategies I use, and I'm always trying to learn and grow. So I'll be trying new passive income strategies as well, and I'll be sharing those with you here also. My goal with this channel is to help you build a life that you love, doing work that you love, and that you don't need a vacation from, which is why I called the channel Passively Ever After, because I want you to be able to live passively ever after.